The Americans with Disabilities Act is about a lot more than just having a wheelchair ramp. Yes, there are requirements for being wheelchair accessible, but that is just one small portion of what is a very large law. One of the most important sections that people often overlook is Title III, which is about public accommodations. Now, when we're talking about public in this instance, that does not mean public as in publicly owned by the government, such as a park. It means a place that the public has access to. So, not your private home. Public is talking about things like grocery stores, doctor's offices, amusement parks, restaurants, cafes, theaters. Title III says no individual shall be discriminated against on the basis of disability in the full and equal enjoyment of the goods, services, facilities, privileges, advantages, or accommodations of any place of public accommodation by any person who owns, leases to, or operates a place of public accommodation. Some of the more specific examples of what is prohibited is denial of participation, denial of the opportunity of the individual to participate in or benefit from the goods, services, facilities, privileges, etc. of an entity. Participation in unequal benefit, discriminatory to afford an individual or a separate benefit. So, long story short, it is not correct to say that a business is ADA compliant if its only accommodation that it makes available to disabled guests is wheelchair accessible ramps, because this section alone requires accommodations be made for disabilities of various types to be able to actively and equally participate in the same benefits, services, etc. of that business.